Hello, today I will show the Customer Relation Management module implemented in AccountingSuite and explain how it supports lead management, customer communication and sales activity tracking. This slide provides an overview of module and its key features. The CRM manages communication with potential and existing customers, tracks leads and stores customer data, monitors sales activities from first contact to final decision, workflow based on lead entity progressing across defined stages. The key features of the CRM module include customer lead stages, event tracking, tags, and reporting. This process shows the complete workflow for handling potential client from the first system setup to final reporting. It includes creating main data, generating a lead, planning expenses, communication, different sales result and reporting. The process starts with the start event. The first step is create master data, where the system set up the needed configuration such company segment, email template, lead states and tags. This step creates the necessary data object. Company segments help to group companies with similar features. This helps businesses to better manage their contacts and find companies more easily. Now we can see all existing company segments. To create a new segment, click on button Create. In the field Description, enter the new segment. If you want to add companies, a new segment, click on Add and choose Company. And click on button Save and Close. Lead states show the stages a lead moves between before becoming a customer. They help track leads and plan the next actions. Example of lead states: cold interest, first contact, interest, negotiation and sales decision. Now we can see all existing lead states. To create a new state, click on button Create, New, and in the field Description, enter the name of new state and choose the color of a new state. Tags in the CRM help organize and group data in a clear way. They make it easier to sort and understand information. Now we can see all existing tags for grouping data. To create a new tag, click on button Create and in the field Tags, enter the name of new tag and click on Save and Close. Acquisition sources help companies track where leads and customers come from. They make it easier to measure which marketing channels bring the best result. Now we can see all existing acquisition sources in CRM module. To create a new source, click on Create button and New. In description field, enter the name of new source. And if we want, we can add this new source to group by creating a new group or setting an existing one. We will create a new group, click on Create Item and in description field enter the name of new group and save and close. The next step is lead creation, where external data is used to create a new lead in the CRM. To create a new lead, click on Create button and New. Now I will open one created lead. Legal name, full name and company name, lead name used for a quick visual identification of the lead while working in the application, state tab, lead state, lead status, memo any additional notes, details tab, acquisition source and responsible person, the employee who manages and works with the client from our company, address and phones tab, enter the lead's details, contact tab, enter the full name of the contact person from the lead. In the classification tab, enter the following details: lead group, project, class, created data, and tag. Customer details tab, customer. We can create a new customer by clicking on plus. Sales quote. This document is used to outline the price and terms of the proposed sales to potential customer. Sales order records request to sell goods or services. Sales invoice record a customer's liability to you and record income from transaction. Planned revenue is the estimated income expected to be generated within specific period. And we have result tab, low quality lead. This status indicates a potential client who doesn't meet the key criteria for ending the sales process. And complete lead, this status indicates that the sales process with the potential client has been completed. If you want to import your leads, you can use import options. The leads directory offers two ways to work: list and Kanban board. The list is great for quickly filtering and sorting, while the Kanban board gives a clear view of leads moving through different sales stages. In the lead lists, you can see key information like the lead's name, state, responsible person, and customer name. To use Kanban method, you can easily drag leads across different stages like cold interest, first contact, interest, negotiation, and sales decision to track progress. The left menu also offers filters to sort leads by state, tag, acquisition source, responsible person, project, or customer. The next step is the marketing expenses planning activity. In this step, the lead is the input data object. During the activity, acquisition expenses are planned, defined, and recorded. This makes sure that for each new lead, all acquisition costs are planned in advance. Acquisition expenses are costs related to securing new clients like marketing, ads, promotions, and events. By tracking these expenses in CRM module, businesses can better understand how their sales and marketing activities affect results. This helps improve strategies and measure the return on investment. Now we will create acquisition expense. How to do this? Click on Create button, New, enter acquisition source, set period, enter responsible person, enter planned expense amount, planned number of lead, number of customer, and planned number of order. And click on Save and Close. We have option Export a list. We can choose Output columns and click on button Save. We can choose the format in which the expenses will be saved. For example, PDF, Excel. The workflow that moves to main part of CRM module is deal management activity. Here, the team talks directly with lead and records all contact, including phone call, personal meeting, email, and notes. All interactions with clients are recorded and managed in the system using the event documents. To create a specific type of event, we have two options. The first is to open the event in the CRM module and select the event type. We have several types of event: phone call, personal meeting, email, chat message, and note. Or we can open the lead to whom we wish to send the event and choose the event from there. The CRM workflow continues through inclusive gateway. This gateway allows one or more paths. Each path shows a possible result of the sales process. At this step, the process can create customer, create sales quote, create sales order, create sales invoice, or stop the process and mark the lead as low quality. The CRM workflow concludes with its final step, known as CRM reporting. This step uses all the created leads and recorded acquisition expenses to generate important reports. This report include lead base analysis, lead funnel, sales funnel, and ABC analysis of sales by items. The process officially ends with the end event. This report provides insights into the development of the leads base and its distribution among managers. It shows the total number of leads, the percentage of new leads during a selected period, and the overall expansion trend. Filters allow for analysis by manager, acquisition source, tag, state, or result. Next report, sales funnel report shows the distribution of deals across different sales stages from initial contact to deal completion. It can be viewed by lead customers of sales orders and highlights the number and percentage of deal at each stage along with the reasons for lost deals. This report tracks the movement of leads across different sales stages. It shows the number of leads at each stage, their conversion rates, and reason for loss, helping identify areas for improvement in the sales process. Filters allow for analysis by time period, manager, leads, or source. This analysis sorts products based on their sales value and demand patterns. It helps manage inventory by highlighting high value product with steady demand and low value product with changing demand. This report helps make better decisions for purchasing and predicting need. Thank you for your attention.